Welcome back! In this video, you will be making finishing touches. If you need to wet the hair down at all again, please do that. So you'll be matching the hair from the bangs to the hair along the side of the face. You can do this by combing the hair forward and point cutting the sides to match the bangs' length. Go through and do any last-minute checks of the evenness and length. If you are happy with how it looks, then you're done. In the next video, you will see the end results. I'll see you there.